When you're ready to send a cert package for an upcoming shipment to your customer, you'll create a SmartCert, select the layout and information you want to include, type in your customer name to search the network, add in your PO or any of the POs that you're sending parts towards, and then click on Package a SmartCert. This is the option to search your inventory for the parts that are being shipped and have been picked from your warehouse. I'm entering in 3 different line items and selecting the Smart Certs and the cert packages associated with each of those. I now have 3 Smart Certs. I could click through to view the documents and information. I'm going to scroll down and upload a packing list. This is optional. You can determine and decide which documents you want to include in the specific shipment, as well as the cert packages here. When I click save, all this information will be organized and available for my team. When I click share, I'll click this arrow, confirm my customer, and I now have a date and time stamp of when the certs were sent. When my customer views them, I'll be able to see when the certs were approved and if any changes are required. Your sharing history will show each user on the customer side who's viewed the certs. If you want to print out a QR code for your shipment, you can do that and keep your certs with your parts. Any green arrows on your created dashboard will note those cert packages that have been sent on to your customer.